Right then, you lot, buckle up, because today we're diving into something truly extraordinary. Have you ever looked at a Mercedes S-Class and thought, needs more oomph, maybe a bit more flair, a touch more power, or just something to make it stand out even more? No, of course not. You'd have to be clinically insane. The S-Class is already a masterpiece of luxury and performance, but if you were slightly unhinged, you might just fancy a Brabus. You see, Brabus takes the ordinary and makes it extraordinary, pushing boundaries and redefining limits. And the 2025 930S? Well, that's Brabus on a bender. It's like they took the rulebook, tore it up, and then set it on fire for good measure. This isn't your dentist's S-Class. This is something far more sinister, far more exhilarating. This is a car for someone who lists scaring small children as a hobby. It's for the thrill seekers, the adrenaline junkies, the ones who crave excitement. It's a luxury limousine that's been to the gym, injected with something dubious, and is now eyeing up your local racetrack. It's bulked up, meaner, and ready to take on any challenge. Don't let the plush seats fool you, this thing is an animal. Underneath all that luxury lies a beast waiting to be unleashed. So what do we have here? What makes this car so special, so different from the rest? The Brabus 930S starts life as a perfectly respectable Mercedes AMG S63, a car that's already a marvel of engineering and design. Then the loons at Brabus get their hands on it, and things get very interesting, very quickly. They tweak, they modify, they enhance, turning it into something truly spectacular. The result? A car that not only looks stunning, but performs like a dream. The Brabus 930S is not just a car. It's an experience, a statement, a testament to what happens when you push the boundaries of what's possible. First impressions? It's like someone let a toddler loose on the Mercedes design studio with a carbon fiber crayon. You've got spoilers, splitters, diffusers, enough aero to make a Boeing blush. Subtle it ain't, but here's the thing, it works. Somehow, Brabus has taken a car that's already quite imposing and made it downright menacing. The massive grille, the flared arches, those massive 22-inch wheels, it's enough to make a Prius spontaneously combust. And the color? Black, naturally. What else would you have? Though, knowing Brabus, you can probably order it in any shade you fancy as long as it's intimidating. Personally, I'd go for something called Predator Green or Widowmaker White. You get the idea. Now this is where things get really juicy. We're diving into the heart of the beast, the very soul of this machine. Under the hood, which is probably also made of carbon fiber, you'll find a modified version of AMG's 4-liter twin-turbo V8. This isn't just any engine, it's a marvel of modern engineering, a symphony of power and precision. But Brabus, being Brabus, decided that wasn't nearly enough. They saw potential for more, much more. So they strapped on bigger turbos, fiddled with the engine management, and generally worked their black magic. They meticulously tuned every component, ensuring that each part worked in perfect harmony to deliver unparalleled performance. The result? A frankly ludicrous 930 horsepower and 922 pound-feet of torque. These numbers aren't just impressive, they're mind-boggling. Yes, you heard that right. 930 horsepower in a sedan. This is the kind of power that was once reserved for supercars, now available in a luxurious 4-door package. What does that mean in the real world? Well, 0 to 60 miles per hour disappears in a tire-shredding 2.8 seconds. That's faster than many sports cars, and it does it with an effortless grace. Top speed is electronically limited to 205 miles per hour, presumably because the engineers were worried it might achieve escape velocity otherwise. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a testament to what happens when you push the boundaries of what's possible. You'd be forgiven for thinking that, with all that power on tap, the interior of the Brabus 930S would be an afterthought. But you'd be wrong. The designers at Brabus have gone above and beyond to ensure that the interior is just as breathtaking as the performance. This is still an S-Class at heart, and that means luxury is paramount. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to provide an unparalleled experience. Step inside, and you're greeted by a sea of leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. The materials used are not just for show, they are chosen for their quality and durability. The seats are electrically adjustable in about 16 different directions, heated, cooled, and designed to provide the utmost comfort. Whether you're on a long drive or just a quick trip, these seats ensure you arrive feeling refreshed, and probably capable of giving you a shiatsu massage. Imagine being able to get a massage while stuck in traffic. It's the epitome of luxury. The technology is just as impressive, with a massive infotainment screen, a head-up display, and an array of features that make driving not just easier but more enjoyable. The infotainment system is intuitive and packed with features from navigation to entertainment, and enough driver assistance systems to make you question whether you even need to be behind the wheel at all. These systems are designed to enhance safety and convenience, making every journey smoother and more relaxing. But don't be fooled by the luxury, because there are reminders of this car's true nature everywhere you look. The Brabus 930S is not just about comfort, it's about performance and power. The Brabus logos on the seats, the aluminum pedals, and the overall design language all speak to the car's high-performance pedigree. The sporty steering wheel, it's all designed to remind you that this is a car built for those who demand the best of both worlds: luxury and performance. They're all subtle hints that you're not in an ordinary S-Class. This is a Brabus, and it stands in a league of its own, combining the ultimate in luxury with the thrill of a high performance. Every drive in the Brabus 930S is an experience to be savored, a journey where luxury meets power in perfect harmony.